In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover a TikTok account without a phone number or an email. Before we do dive into this guide, I just want to say yes, this is possible, but a lot of people will eventually need TikTok support to finish recovery, and TikTok may request ID verification to actually verify that it is you. Before we dive into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single thing down there. But begin by opening up TikTok, and you're most likely going to be logged out of this option. Go ahead and tap use phone, email, or username. And since you don't have access to your phone or email, tap the question mark icon up in the top right and select forgot password. If you know your username, go ahead and type it in, but sometimes TikTok will recognize that you've logged in on this device before and will just let you back in. If that works, you're done. If not, you're going to want to tap other at the very bottom and then select need more help. And begin typing in a message in that support box that's going to appear saying I cannot log in and no longer have access to my phone number or email. And from here, just go ahead and hit send. Now, TikTok's first replies may be auto AI. That is normal. Just keep responding until you reach the option that says contact an agent or submit a ticket. And do those and fill out that ticket pretty much saying that you can't access the email or phone number and you're going to need help recovering your account. Upload any proof that they request. Sometimes it might be an ID. And just keep in mind, this is going to take a minute to go ahead and do. Requires a decent amount of patience, usually around 1 to 2 business days. But after you do that, they will help you get back into your account and you'll be able to get back on TikTok like usual. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.